Baby, just like come over, prove for the women and they know this me.
Okay, y'all. Hey, y'all. Hey, it is, what is it? It's Sunday, November 10th, and I am just starting my day off with gratitude and being grateful, listening to gospel music, and just wanted to like record my day today. I think today I will take y'all along as I wallpaper my guest bedroom. Oh my gosh. Now, I typically will do peel and stick wallpaper in dorm rooms. For those who don't know, well, actually, hold on. I'm new to YouTube, so bear with me. I am Ebony, and I am an interior stylist here in Charlotte, North Carolina. And I designed this YouTube channel just to take you on a day-to-day as I do my designer work, client installs, give you DIYs, you know, tips, styling, home decor tips, all the good things. So today is a home project. I have a guest bedroom that has been a storage well over 3 years now. So I moved into this house 3 years ago, renovated it, gutted out the kitchen, the bathrooms, you know, changed out the carpet in all of the rooms. It was an older home, knocked down a wall that separated the kitchen from the living room. I just did a whole bunch of stuff. So I'll show y'all eventually. Well, in 2 weeks, I'll be hosting like a family get together. And so I'm just trying to get my house in order. So, and not even that, like I entertain a lot and my company needs somewhere to sleep. So I am going to attempt, now I need to call my wallpaper guy, but I mean, I feel like I can do it. I low-key did the wallpaper in my entryway. Came out terrible, by the way, but when I was in my last apartment, I wallpapered the wall. I know I can do it, but I just feel like with the entryway, why it turned out really bad is that it was, first of all, it was some cheap paper and it was black. And so you can see the glue from the outside of the paper, which I hated. Stay tuned. I take y'all through all of the mistakes and all of the good things that I have made to my home. So, okay, let's go in the guest bedroom. Okay, so this is the guest bedroom, y'all. It's not pretty. So first of all, this is an older home. This house was built in the 60s. So, you know, the rooms are a little tight and it's always like a little closet in all of these rooms as well. A little closet where I can't even fit my clothes. But I'm using all of the closets at this point. But there is another room that I am transforming into a closet, the whole room into a closet space. Because I don't like how I got everything in the closet, like all of my clothes in the closet. But anyway, this is the guest bedroom. First of all, well, this is new carpet, new trim work. So now I just need to jazz up the space. So I need to paint, I need to wallpaper, and I need to add in the beds. So the plans that I have for this room is wallpaper, this back wall here, have 2 twin beds here, and paint the walls. Now, I want to wallpaper first before I paint the walls because I really don't know what color I want to go for in here. And as you can see, well, not that, that's kind of like a mistake that they made when they was, when we were renovating. But at one point, I was trying to figure out the color in this space, but, oh, let me turn on the light, Lord have mercy. But I couldn't figure that out. So, but anyway, this is the wall that I will be wallpapering. And the wall is 8 feet, 96 inches up and down. So the height of the wall and across the width is about 11.5 feet. So I have 2 rows of wallpaper, 2 double rows of wallpaper. So that should cover this entire wall here. And if you want to know like how to figure out and calculate how much wallpaper you need for a space, just let me know in the comments and we can have a video pertaining to that. So this is the wall. Wish me luck, y'all. Hold on, wait. So I think I should probably insert the mood board that I created for this space. Also here, I just put a little small TV here. So whenever my guests come, and you know, I've been seeing this trend where everybody is trying to create a hotel inspired guest bedroom. I mean, ultimately, I guess it'll be kind of hotel inspired, but at this point, I just need to kind of like get the ball rolling. And if it's hotel inspired, it's hotel inspired. If it's not, oh well. But oh yeah, and then of course I want to change out this light. Look, that light is out. Change out this light. Paint, add curtains. Now I'm not sure if I want to just do 2 short rods with 2 panels, or I want to do like track curtains where it's just like heavy on one side and then you can just kind of like adjust as you need. And I mean, I guess like for more of a hotel inspired look, since that is trending right now. But I don't know, it just depends on how I feel. Like when it comes to decor, it's kind of like your outfit. Like you just have to go off like your vibe almost. So once I get this wallpaper in here, then I can figure out my vibe. Oh yeah, and then here is the beds and the headboards. And this right here is, oh, I need somebody to come pick that up there. Okay, anyway, bye. This broke. Oh my God, this is crazy. First of all, I am looking so crazy to be up on camera, and I don't even know y'all like that. Let me put this on. Okay. So this is the wallpaper. I will link the wallpaper below. Got it from Amazon. I'm sorry, Wayfair. And it's gonna be really pretty. You can't really tell, but and then I'm gonna keep this so whenever I do another video to kind of school you guys on how to calculate wallpaper, we can use this as a reference. But this is, this is a paper. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? Okay, so then you can kind of see how it will look on the wall. You can see. See that? It's going to be pretty. It's really heavy duty. I'm not sure of this brand, but if you look like really close, it's probably not going to pick it up on camera, but there is kind of like a metallic kind of undertone to it. It's really pretty. I'm excited. Okay, so stand by. So basically, I don't know if because I don't have a stand now, but I kind of roll this out to 96 inches. Well, a little, maybe 97, 98, 99, maybe like 4 inches. I'll go over 4 inches just to give me some room when I put it up on the wall, and then I'll just cut. And then, yeah, but I need to like put the glue on the back and everything. And of course I need a flat surface, and I don't have my tripod now. So stay tuned. YouTube channel. Say hello to my YouTube channel.
Hello, YouTube.
Y'all, this is my little sister. She's going to work.
Right, in quotation.
sweating. Sweating, child. This is some manual labor. Okay, we are making progress. So right now I am, and y'all don't mind it, I have the covers for that. But what I'm doing now is I'm cutting my wallpaper into panels. So all I have to do after this is just paste and apply to the wall. So I'm trying to line it up. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm saying. And I've already measured out the walls, so I'll need to cut about seven panels, but I'm going to have to cut when I get to the corner of the wall. So yeah, I'm on my third panel right now, and yeah. Okay, so take the glue out the package, and it's busted, but I'm gonna make it do what it do. I may just like spilled everywhere, but I'm gonna complain to Amazon. Okay, now I am going to be taking, this is my little makeshift table. I'm going to be taking this glue and applying it with my paint roller to the back of the paper. I wish I could record this, but I don't have a freaking stand. Maybe I can improvise. Hold on, I can stand it up on that ladder over there. Okay, so the paste is applied, and now I'm going to wipe the walls because, you know, your walls have debris and everything on it. So I'm going to wipe the walls and then apply this paper on the walls. Wish me luck. First panel is up there, okay? Okay, y'all, I am looking crazy. This is a quick commercial break. Okay, by this time, we family. Like, I'm looking crazy. I done sweated up something. I'm going up and down the ladder. I'm wiping the walls. I'm rolling the paint roller. It's a lot going on, but I am 4 panels in. Now, besides a few little breaks. Now, I've taken a few breaks, like TikTok breaks, social media breaks, or whatever. And I'm about 3 more. I got like 3 more panels to go. So, bye y'all. Y'all, first of all, I forgot to end the video, but I am literally on my sofa. That wall wore me out. Like, literally, my sister brought me some food over here. I ate, had a glass of wine, and I took me a nap. I'm just literally waking up. She about to go get my niece and come back over here. But thank y'all so much. Thank y'all so much for watching the video. So stay along for more videos. Lord, this whole YouTube thing, y'all, pray for me, honey. Pray for me. Because, I mean, I watch YouTube. I've been a heavy YouTube watcher for years. And now that it's coming down to me creating videos for YouTube, I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm forgetting to record. I'm like, this is a lot of work. And then me going up and down Atlanta today on that little wall. The wall is only 11 feet. That's not nothing. And the walls is only 8 feet high. So, I mean, geez, girl, I'm tired. But anyway, thank y'all for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Vogue Room YouTube channel. And click the notification bell to find out when I post new video. Well, get the alert when I post new videos. All right. See you in the next one. Oh, yeah, wait. So the next video is going to be probably me painting the walls in that room, because the walls need to be painted. So I think I'm gonna take you guys along. Like, I mean, I'm gonna be decorating the whole room, but just a whole little series of me decorating that guest bedroom. And then like some more like behind the scenes, me visiting client projects. So yeah, anyway, yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Vogue Room. I am Ebony, and I am out. Peace and cheers. Bye, y'all.